Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? It is Wednesday. I am getting ready for my trip. I leave tomorrow on Thursday, and I'm still like, I'm not prepared at all. Like, I'm not packed. I gotta do my hair. Thank gosh I got my lashes and my nails and feet done. But I just wanted to get on here, just, quick, because I want to install a wig. Now, keep in mind, I'm not a professional. I don't do this. I don't do hair. I'm literally still learning how to put on a wig, glue it down, lay it down, whatever you want to call it. So don't come for me in these comments, okay? Because I'm still learning. But I got my wig from Love Me Hair. Let's see what's in here. They gave me some. They gave me a melt band and an edge brush. They also gave me a nice silky purple bonnet. You know, I love my bonnets. And this is the wig. It is a 16 ounce. What, Tracy? It is a 16-inch, I think a body wave closure wig. This is it. I love it. It's so silky, so smooth. I really hope I don't mess it up when I try to put it on. But yeah, so this is the lace. I don't really know what this is. Like I said, don't come for me. If you know, please let me know. Hopefully I will figure it out though. But all right, let me put on my wig cap and then I'll be right back. All right, so I got it on. I don't know if I'm gonna put makeup on this. I mean, I see a lot of people do it, so I might just do it off camera. I'm not too sure yet, but I think I figured out what the band is for, to hold this thing down, which I need because I don't need it coming off and be embarrassed. So let's see. Ooh, I think I put it on wrong. Let's see. All right, it's getting there. The wigs that I've installed before have not been closure wigs, so I don't really know how to do this one. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not hard for like the frontals, but let's see, is that okay? So don't laugh at me, I'm still learning. So I know I got to glue this baby down. This is the glue that I got today. I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it works, because like I said, I don't need this flying off. I mean, it looks like it's a bit flat, right? Or does it still look? Let's see. I'll be back. All right. I did put a little bit of makeup on the wig cap, because the wig cap was a bit too bright for me. All right, so I don't have any clips. All right, so I kind of pinned my hair back a little. Doing this on camera is making me super nervous. I feel like I'm doing it wrong. I'm probably even doing it wrong, but I feel like I'm doing it way more wrong, you know? Like, I don't think it's gonna turn out right. But anyway, so let me try this bowl hold. This stops here. I don't have my dryer. I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna be in the heat, I'm gonna do maybe 3, or should I do 4? I'm only gonna be out for the weekend, so maybe 3. I'll bring it. Just in case the baby girl starts to lift. Okay? Alright. I really hope this turns out right. Because I feel like I want to be cute. I got my lashes done. I got my nails done. I got my feet done. Like, I want to be cute for this trip. You know? Excuse the big forehead. Yes, I have a big forehead. Okay? Alright. I'm going to try to do another layer. Also, I do not know how to do baby hair. So I'm not even going to try to ruin this wig and attempt to do baby hair. So I hope it'll work without baby hair. I know you're laughing at me. Don't laugh at me. I'm laughing at myself. I'll get better. I promise. I normally just do wigs just to, you know, go out. I don't never do a wig for a trip. Like, this is my first time doing it, and I hope it turns out right. I really do. Let me get something to fan it. This wig also came with 2 wig caps. And this is also my first Love Me Hair wig. And I love the texture. So I think I will definitely be ordering more. I really hope this turned out right. I've been trying to watch like install videos, but they just seem so well prepared. Like I'm nowhere near comfortable or anything. Like I'm surprised I'm doing this on camera. I really am, because I don't like when things don't turn out right. And this has to turn out right. So this will be my last layer. I do try to slick my edges back. I've heard that you can maybe still put the lace down when it's like a little white, just so I think it like helps it stick more. I don't know. Again, I'm really new to this wig world, but I want to get it as clear as possible so it can lay down nice. Isn't it ironic that the new one that I got is also leopard? I don't know if it's just, it might be even the same length. I just think it's thinner. I don't know, but I hope it, yeah, it's literally the same. It's the same. All right, let's take this off. I do have a question though. I am looking for new skincare because my skin, I don't know what my skin is. Sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's dry. Like right now it looks oily and dry at the same time. Like how is that even possible? I don't know. I don't know how that's possible. But I was looking into Good Molecule, that brand. I've seen a lot of it on TikTok. And I kind of want to try it out, but I want to know if any of you guys tried it out yet. And if you did, how do you like it? And what do you recommend from that brand? Yo, this is up to the darn. Let's try to get that. There we go. All right. I think that's okay. I hope. All right. Let's try to cut it. I don't know, y'all. Like, I really don't know. I know we're supposed to like cut it all the way. Like, how am I supposed to cut it? Let me go get my Got to Be Bold. No, Got to Be Glued. I don't know if this is going to record because I need to clear up some space on my phone. So if you get cut off, I will do an ending video of the finishing wig. But let's spray this. I know they said spray it, right? To try to lay the lace, or I don't know, but let's. All right, these ends on this wig is going to get on my nerve. Maybe I should have cut that before I put it on, but can I cut it? I don't know if I can cut it. Oh, I think I could cut it. Yes, I can cut it. Oh man, this one. It's always one side that's just going to give you like a hard time. It's always one side. And I also have to work tonight, so I have to work tonight. I still have not packed. Why am I prolonging everything? Because I'm a procrastinator. Because I am a procrastinator. That's a bad thing. It's never a good thing, y'all. Never a good thing. So let's put this band back on. And hopefully it all comes out right, because I need it to come out right. Ooh, not the band flip back. Hold on. Maybe I need a little bit of bold hold right here. Mind you, I must repeat, I don't really know what I'm doing. But I'm taking you guys on the ride, you know? Oh, I got hair sticking, Lord. Let's just hope it's gonna turn out right. And then I'll put a little makeup on it so it'll blend. All right, let's see. It's still a little light on the end. Well, yeah. My mom is loud. All right, so let me try to blend it. Y'all use the powder to blend, right? Y'all don't use the foundation? I mean, it looks good right here. That one part, it looks good. All right, let me try to blend it. Let's see if it works. Like, can you really see the lace?
Yeah.
You can see lace in the top?
Yeah.
Oh, are you looking at her though?
Yeah, you can see it.
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, she saw it. Like, do I need to put the foundation on too?
Yeah,
maybe
darker.
I don't think I have anything. Actually, it's that I just put that other powder on in that bag in my room. Can you grab that for me? Yeah, because this foundation is. Yeah.
Okay, you said
It's in a brown.
it's in a brown bag?
No, it's in a white bag, but it's like dark brown. They got all my makeup and stuff in it.
Okay, I see.
Y'all, like, what am I doing? What am I doing? All right, let's see. It's just kind of dark.
Now, should you put that on before you glue it?
No.
Oh, okay.
This is supposed to like blend the lace and your skin. But I just, I don't know. I messed it up, y'all. I messed it up. Now it is,
I don't know.
How do y'all get this to blend? Please let me know. Put that in the comments, please. Because I was doing good until this part. I was doing okay until this part. I think I put too much makeup on the lace. Now you can really see the lace. Is it that bad though? Like it's still passable, right? I sure hope so. Let me see. And then not having baby hair is making it like, I don't know. I need baby hair.
Baby hair was out when I was little, younger.
Yeah, everything is coming back out. Forehead about big as I don't know what.
I don't think I got a big forehead. You got that from your dad. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah.
You're putting too much emphasis on the lace. Just pass. We passing by. Hey girl, how you doing?
Hey girl, how you doing?
I'm good.
Oh, I like your hair.
Thank
It's
you.
too.
Bam. I don't know. Hopefully it'll lay or blend while I sleep. I don't know how this works. Overall, the wig is nice. The wig is very soft and I like the little waves. I think I'm going to wet it in the morning and have it a little more
Swiggly boogly.
swiggly wiggly. But this is it for today. I tried my best. Don't forget to be nice in the comments because I tried. If you have any blending tips for the lace and the skin, please list those in the comments below. And I'm not going to say hopefully I'll do another one of these because I probably won't. I got to get more used to it because I'm not going to keep embarrassing myself on here, okay? All right, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification button as well. And I will see you guys next video. Bye. All right, I had to come back because my mom helped me cut the baby hair. I think it looks better now because I was missing the baby hair. Forehead don't look as big. I mean, it look a little big still, but not as big. Like, I'm still cute now. I'm still cute. All right, I'm doing another outro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please comment some tips for me. And also, if you've used Good Molecules skincare, please also let me know how you like it and which ones did you use. And I will see you guys next video. Bye.